Surprising Vicks VapoRub Uses in the garden. A popular choice to relieve cough and cold. Are you aware of some of the amazing Vicks VapoRub Uses in the garden? Find out. 1. Relieve insect bites and rashes. Bug bites are common while doing gardening chores, like pruning or watering. Well, to relieve this, you can apply Vicks on the affected area. It can also soothe the rashes caused by rubbing against branches and thorny plants. 2. Keep deer and rabbits away. If you don't want a visit from unwanted visitors like deer or rabbits, a little dab of Vicks VapoRub on their favorite plants can give you great success. The strong smell of camphor, cedar oil, and eucalyptus is unbearable to them. For best results, apply it regularly. 3. Keeps mosquitoes at bay. Applying small amounts of Vicks to your clothes and the exposed areas of your body while working in the garden will save you from mosquito bites. Its scent deters the pesky insects, and even if you get bitten by mosquitoes, Vicks will relieve the itching. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.